Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for clicking on the video today. My name is Grace and welcome to Affordable Lux TV. If you like fashion and affordable brands, please hit the subscribe button, okay? And also turn your bell notification that would let you know anytime I upload a new video. Okay, to my OGs, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. I am really grateful for all that. Okay, so guys, today I have another review. Okay, this time around is from Coach. All right, so Coach have been really having some nice sales, especially with the outlet, even with the Coach, the coach, regular Coach. Okay, so guys, always look out, for those if you want anything, special. All right, so I know I missed the sales for the Coach Tabby pillow bags, but I was able to send out notification on my community tab. I don't know if you guys saw it. Okay, so always follow me also on the community tab. Leave me a nice comment, or say something, okay, when I post on those community tab. All right, also you can thumbs up the messages on the community tab if you like them or is relatable. All right, so guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing the track belt bag in color block signature canvas. Okay, all right, so this is how I just pack it or keep it in my closet. All right, so I'm not a huge fan of like the bum bag or you know belt bag, but recently the trend is really increasing. I was like, oh, why not? Since I do handbags review, why not check out the bum bag or track bag? Okay, I think they both call either bum bag or track bag or belt bag. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. It's from the men's section. Okay, all right, so this has the color blocking, the green and the blue, and this is the bag, all leather. Okay, and I like the zip. It has that real what they call this kind of zippers. It has that real, okay guys, so it has this very solid zipper, and the zip is so smooth, so smooth. All right, so that's one compartment back there, another compartment up here. Okay, and the zip is very smooth. Okay, so it has the middle part here, which has double zip. Okay, so this belt bag will be really good for, I told you I got in the men's collection, right? Really good for amusement park. Gives you that freedom for your hands to be free. You can wear it across your chest like so. You can wear it as on your waist as a belt bag. Okay, I've also seen some people put it behind, like like a backpack. All right, so the belt here is so solid and it's adjustable. All right, it has the Coach down there. This is a very well made belt bag, very well made. So if you like mountain climbing, if you like rock climbing, you can also have this, because it's called track belt. Okay, so the item number for this is C9892. All right, and this one I got from the outlets, the men's section. But if you don't want a product from the outlet, you want the regular coach.com, they have a lot of belt bag up there as well. Okay, I really love this is so cute, you know and it will go with most of your outfits. Okay, so to give your outfit that pop of color. And when Coach came with these summer colors, this is the only thing I got from it, because every other thing, I'm just thinking it's the same style, but just, you know, they added more colors to it. So this was the only thing I grabbed from that, because like I said, I don't gravitate towards belt bag. But when I saw this, and because the trend now is, you know, is increasing, I just thought, oh, why not, let me just get one. Okay, so when I got this, it was on sale. You know, the original price for this belt bag was $324.99, and you know, I ended up paying $83 for it. Okay, so this was a steal, like Americans would say, it was a steal. All right, so guys, I just decided to get it. Okay, so if you're interested in belt bags, you know, check out the Coach website. The details of this bag is so pretty. Look at this. Look at the Coach tag here. You know, there's a D-ring here. You can also include a charm. Okay, so beautiful, and I really love it. Okay, well made. So if you're looking for affordable brand, you know, very well made product, you know, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and if you like my Nigerian accent, subscribe to this channel. I will always bring you something that is well made, quality, and with affordable price. Okay, all right guys, so thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and also share with your friends. All right, I'll see you in my next one. So I'll be wearing it across my chest. If you see me with this across my chest, just say hi. All right guys, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.